Alright, my people, we don't come again. No. Na Godswill, Akpabio and Natasha Matana, we carry cover. Beg you, if you come across our channel. If you never subscribed before, I beg subscribe, like, share. Every day we dey bring new update. When I see this lady, Honorable Natasha for House of Assembly for FCT, I give her a hand. Na man in woman body. She try. You know this country, many things dey happen when we see. Anybody when you just dey on power, you go dey oppress the one when he get level pass. This woman dey talk. You know House of Assembly, they say everybody get where he sits dey. Now something happen, they carry the seats comot. Now he come, he say na here he sit down. Then they tell her make he stand up. She no gree. Now Akpabio tell her, Akpabio now come dey say make he stand up. You say he no dey gree. Now Akpabio just dey knack their hammer for ground. No see as a Senate president. Now the woman quote one law, section 10 for Senate, say he get privilege to talk. They don't tell her say make he no talk. As the Akpabio dey knack hammer for top table, boy, na this woman dey tell her, they still dey talk. Wetin she dey talk, e no concern her. Wetin Akpabio dey knack, that one no be a problem. Now he tell the security say make dem carry her come outside. Say he don suspend her. You see am, person get privilege to talk. This is wetin dey constitution. You dey say make she no talk because of say this woman no dey your party. You see am, dem dey sabi oppress people for this country. When we see, if the person you whereby they just get level pass her small, they'll use their power to take the oppressor. By right, she supposed listen to her. You know why listen to her? Because not be APC member. They say the woman not come gree for her. The woman continue. They vibrate, they talk. Even the security come, they begin look and fear don't let them talk to her. Fear don't let them drag her because na woman. But if you're a man, waiting the 40 drag her come outside, you yourself go tired. When I just watch the way when the woman take the vibrate, now watch it.
And I promise you, the part is changing so from me that I will insist to contribute my quota to the development of my people, the women of Nigeria and Nigeria's advance. Mr. Senate President, I have taken a whole lot from you. Some I don't want to speak publicly, but in due course I will tell Nigerians know how you have discriminated against you, how you have maligned me, how you have dehumanized me, your choice of words.
I see she try well. Even later, Akpabio can't go beg her. The way when Akpabio first attack this woman, my mind they tell me say Akpabio go don't talk to her, say make he Colombian and the woman don't agree because the woman fine well. You know all those politicians, they are only come for 5 women. He not even let the woman talk. He can't later apologize to the woman. The woman stand on her ground, begin the yarn, carry book the raid. He not give them that chance to oppress her. Say this is what he's supposed to do. Yeah, that is to know who be who. Not be when una come dey use una APC power, they change many constitution. This judge go judge matter finish for high court. The Okada go court of appeal. The court of appeal go talk another one. The Okada go Supreme Court. Supreme Court go judge the matter, the same matter with another way. Right. And that means the court of appeal and high court, they don't know their job in that. You know that for Western world, once one court don't judge matter, that one are final. Nigeria, and this one will judge finish. Another judge will come judge them again. Say wetin that judge, you don't follow. That means that school when that judge go na nonsense. That's why you see sometimes we'll carry certificate come abroad. They go say me we go read master again because they believe wetin you read, you don't follow road. Now wetin Akpabio just practice for years. So now this woman want talk. You don't give her a chance to talk. You don't know wetin she want talk. You just dey knack her and say make they carry her comot. That is oppression. Yeah? How the country can't take grow like this? And for national television, when we say that the world they watch this video and the video don't go viral now. Now can't say we won't be blogger more and we will not help una post am well. We go help una post am. Alright, shall make I end the video here. If you come across our channel, make you try subscribe, like, share, abeg, una subscribe.